Use a laundry stain remover spray or pre-treatment on test stains before washing. Yes, using a laundry stain remover spray or pre-treatment on test stains before washing can help to remove the stains more effectively. Stains such as red wine, coffee, chocolate, and tomato sauce are particularly difficult to remove and can cause discoloration if not treated properly before washing. Here is how to use a laundry stain remover spray or pre-treatment. Spray or apply the stain remover directly to the stain, making sure to cover the entire affected area. Gently rub the stain remover into the stain using a soft bristled brush or a clean, white cloth. Let the stain remover sit on the stain for the recommended amount of time, usually 5 to 10 minutes. Check the instructions on the product label. Launder the clothing as usual, following the care label instructions, and the stain should come out during the wash. If the stain is still visible after laundering, repeat the process before washing again. Note, some stains might require multiple treatments or an overnight soak, so it's important to follow the instructions on the product label and test it first on a small inconspicuous area of the garment to make sure it doesn't discolor or damage the fabric. Alternatively, you can also make your own stain remover by mixing equal parts of water and white vinegar or baking soda and water. These are natural ingredients that can help removing stains. If you want to see more of our videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop.